101.9 Magic FM.
Stay afloat as long as you hold me. We've been through wrong propaganda to politicians. On 92.9 Peak FM with Chris Austin. I'm having fun on a snowy afternoon in southern Colorado, compiling a complete list of closures and delays. You can get that right now at 929peakfm.com. I'm adding to it as we speak, but if you want to check out that list, be sure to go to the website, 929peakfm.com, drag your mouse over the weather icon, and then click closures and delays. Get the whole list, and it is a big one now waiting for you at the website, 929peakfm.com.
Peak FM, right now, traffic.
Sponsored by Pioneers Museum, CSPD in El Paso County on accident alert. Officers still on the scene of these earlier wrecks. Some may be blocking North Carefree and Hollow. Northbound Academy south of Union, Pony Tracks and Pyros. We got a stall northbound Power south of Airport. That was blocked in the left turn lane. I-25 building in volume, slower than normal because of the weather conditions, but no problems reported. For free holiday fun for the whole family, don't miss Children's Holiday Magic at the Colorado Springs Pioneer Museum. It's going to be Saturday, December 7th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, visit cspm.org. I'm Chuck Squire with Right Now Traffic on 92.9 Peak FM.
And stick around if the weather's getting you down. I will bring you back up with Wake Me Up. Great song from Avicii on the way. We've got The Power in there from Snap. Love that one. And some Fresh Beat music. Great song from American Authors called The Best Day of My Life. And another chance for you to win with the Peak FM Holiday Song Scramble coming up before 5 o'clock on 92.9 Peak FM.
Batteries Plus Bulbs has the batteries and bulbs you need to make your holidays bright. We have everything from batteries for kids' riding toys to flashlight stocking stuffers and holiday floodlights for your home. Stock up on all the batteries and bulbs you need so you can enjoy the real power of the holidays. Batteries Plus Bulbs. Get what you need this holiday season.
You have the gift. Now don't forget the batteries. Visit Batteries Plus Bulbs in Colorado Springs and Pueblo. Batteries Plus Bulbs. Get what you need.
Okay, folks, today we're covering some basic moves to keep you safe and happy here in the mountains. Remember, balance is crucial. So lower your temperatures on thermostats and water heaters, keep doors and windows tight with caulk or weather stripping, and replace furnace filters every 30 days for smooth savings. Don't get snowed under with unnecessary costs. For details on winterization rebates and more tips from Colorado Springs Utilities, slide on over to csu.org.
Hi, I'm Richard Scorman, owner of Richard's Little Richards and Rico's in downtown Colorado Springs. This year we celebrate winning Best Wine Bar and Toy Store because we carefully select our coffees, wines, and Belgian hot chocolates, and we specialize in fun and safe toys for kids and smart gifts for grown-ups that aren't gifts for under $10. So come down to Poor Richard's, Little Richard's, and Rico's this holiday season. We promise to stuff your stockings and your tummies for a reasonable price. After a long battle with cancer, Paul Russo's wife has died. Paul is struggling with the transition from workaholic husband and father to single dad and caring for his 3 children. Trying to get his family's life back in order, Paul is tormented by nightmares. Or are they real? A demon is holding his wife's spirit hostage on the other side. And what does that have to do with Stillwell Manor, the old haunted mansion on the north shore of Long Island? Stillwell, A Haunting on Long Island by Michael Philip Cash. Will Paul find the clues from hundreds of years ago that will set his wife's soul free? Will he solve the mystery that will put his own demons to rest? Amazon reviewers call it a chiller with a twist. Kept me on the edge till the end. It was a roller coaster. Read Stillwell, A Haunting on Long Island by Michael Philip Cash. Get your paperback or Kindle version today at Amazon.com.
Who doesn't love a good, happy ending? Like when the underdog team throws a Hail Mary and ends up winning the championship? Goosebumps. Or when the beautiful princess plants one on a frog and turns it into her charming prince? Best kiss ever. At Kaiser Permanente, we're suckers for happy endings. And as leaders in heart and stroke care, we're doing our part to create a few of them ourselves. We've developed industry-leading practices that have resulted in some truly amazing positive outcomes, like decreasing the mortality rate in our stroke patients by 42% and reducing serious heart attacks by 62%. But the story gets even better. If other healthcare providers followed those same practices, over 1 million heart attacks and strokes would be prevented. Now there's a happy ending we can all feel good about. Here's to living happily and healthily ever after. Kaiser Permanente. Join us at kp.org.
Studies conducted in Northern California 2001 through 2010 projection based on cardiovascular prevention interventions over a 5-year period, including Medicare and non-Medicare patients.
Summit of 14er. Get the weather of 3 different seasons in just one afternoon. Go all out for health and fitness. Stand tall. Walk tall. That begins to describe the mile-high spirit. It's not just an altitude. It's an attitude. And it's that fire that drives us to go deep. A mile deep to find...
It's predicted to grow 25% through 2018.
I am blow-up snowman.
810-7462 or go to pmi.edu. For consumer information, click the tab on our website. Pima Medical Institute. Trusted, respected, preferred.
Pima Medical Institute is now enrolling for our Pharmacy Technician program at our Colorado Springs campus. Visit pmi.edu today to learn more about this rewarding career helping others.
The end of the year is right around the corner. Have you accomplished everything on your to-do list? Is going back to school to finish your degree somewhere on that list? Why not finish the year strong? Colorado State University Global Campus gives you the opportunity to finish what you started. For some of us, this could mean completing the bachelor's degree we started years ago, or finally earning the graduate degree we need to get ahead in our careers. No pressure, right? But this finish line is closer than you might think. At CSU Global, you live locally and learn globally. Classes are 100% online, so you get a world-class education wherever you are. All at an affordable price with tuition that's guaranteed to stay the same. And CSU Global's faculty and staff are there to support you from start to finish, so you can earn your degree on your time and within your budget. So finish the year strong and finally get started on your degree. Classes start soon, so apply now at csuglobal.edu. That's csuglobal.edu.
You don't have to wait up all night on Christmas Eve to have milk and cookies with Santa this year.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas!
Dine with the Jolly Man in Red at the Imagination Celebration Space in the Citadel and listen to a storyteller who weaves tales of winter wonder together. Sing along to holiday tunes as children and elves alike create glitter-filled holiday-inspired art to bring home for the Christmas tree. Tickets for this fun-filled event can be purchased at Imagination Celebration, located upper level next to Burlington Coat Factory. The $3 suggested donation benefits Imagination Celebration. To stay up to date on the Citadel's holiday events, pictures with Santa, pet photo nights, milk and cookies with Santa, and holiday performances throughout the center, visit shopthecitadel.com. Also follow the Citadel on Facebook. The Citadel, located at North Academy and Platte, is celebrating more than 150 ways to shop, dine, and play this holiday season.
State Farm is he is old.
Okay, Kristen, I'll call you back. State Farm is there for you 24/7, like no one else. Get to a better state.
Visit statefarm.com to find your local area agent.
If you had the chance to save a life, would you? Help save lives by donating plasma at Telecris Plasma Resources. It's safe, easy, and you can earn up to $220 each month. Plasma is used to treat life-threatening diseases and serious medical conditions. Telecris Plasma Resources in Colorado Springs, between Circle and Union on Pikes Peak. Call 635-5926. And in Pueblo at 1501 Moore Avenue. Call 544-3009. A few hours of your time will give someone else a lot more time.
Join the Dude Tour as it presents Fits in the Tantrums along with Knots, live from Breckenridge's very own Riverwalk Center, Saturday, December 14th. The concert kicks off at 8 p.m. Doors at 7:30. Tickets are limited, so buy yours before they're sold out. Go to dudetour.com and click on the music tab. That's dudetour.com. Or visit the Riverwalk box office to buy your tickets today. Join the Dude Tour at the Riverwalk Center in Breckenridge, December 14th.
It's that time of year again. Time to reconnect with friends and family. Exxon and Mobil can help you fuel those connections. Our gasoline is designed to help clean intake valves to get your car better fuel economy.
Show us who you want to connect with for a chance to each win $1,000 of gas in Exxon and Mobil's photo contest. Winners daily. Full rules at fuelingconnections.com. Exxon.
And you don't want that.
92.9 Peak FM, and you have the power to win $100 right now. Here it is, our Peak FM Holiday Song Scramble number 16.